Pismo has an idealistic, simplified look. With defined lines and a variety of finishes, you can seamlessly upgrade to a contemporary style. Single dummy, inactive knob for use on interior doors where a push-pull function is required. Designer style and superior security with this Kwikset Signature Series product. Universal handing. Fits both right-handed and left-handed doors. Easily installs in minutes with just a screwdriver. Step up to designer styles and superior security with Kwikset Signature Series products. Pismo has an idealistic, simplified look. With defined lines and a variety of finishes, you can seamlessly upgrade to a contemporary style. This half-dummy, or trim function, is surface-mounted on doors where only a pull is required. The rich tones of iron black add the finishing touch to this product. The iron black finish provides a rich and warm complement to the product's style. Top reviews from the United States. Can't beat Kwikset. Perfect for closet doors. Needed dummy handles to match the other Kwikset handles we got.